Hello, everyone.
The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with NestBrowser.
Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Then run NestBrowser. Create a new browser profile. Enter a profile name. Select a operating system and browser version. Change a user agent. Then select proxy type, SOCKS5. Enter proxy host, 127.0.0.1. Then forward a proxy IP. For static IPs, right-click an IP and select a port. Then enter the port. Check the proxy network.
If successful, the proxy IP's information will be shown,
which is the same as the proxy IP in YiLuProxy client. For dynamic IPs, select rotating residential or data center IP. Select a location. Then refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port.
You can check multi-port forward information in port forward list.
Then change the proxy port and check proxy again.
The IP's location is the same as the one you selected in YiLuProxy.
YiLuProxy also supports HTTP protocol. But SOCKS5 connection is more stable than HTTP.
For dynamic IPs, you can directly copy a IP's information.
Then paste proxy IP, port, username, and password. In this way, you can use YiLuProxy dynamic IPs without running YiLuProxy client. Then save the profile. Open the virtual browser. Enter epinfo.io to check the IP address. The IP's location is the same as the one you selected in YiLuProxy.
Then you can enter other websites, such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to create and manage multiple accounts.
If you want to manage multiple accounts in the same platform, you can create multiple virtual
browsers in NestBrowser and integrate different proxy IPs to prevent accounts from being associated and banned.
Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.